Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make very healthy and nutritious cupcakes. The name of the recipe is steamed ragi cupcakes. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 1 bowl of ragi flour, 1.5 tablespoon of chocolate powder, 2 tablespoons of grounded sugar, 3/4 bowl of milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, clarified butter to grease the silicone mold, castor sugar to sprinkle on the top of cupcakes, and water. In one bowl, we will take ragi flour, chocolate powder, sugar, egg, butter, baking soda, baking powder, milk and vanilla essence, and we will mix it well. Now we will grease the silicone molds and we will put 1 spoon of batter in each mold. Now we will steam the cupcakes for 10 minutes. We will insert the toothpick in the cupcakes and will check. If the toothpick is coming clear, it means cupcakes are done. Now we will remove the cupcakes in a plate and we will keep them for 5 minutes to cool down. Now we will remove them from the molds and sprinkle castor sugar on them. Healthy and delicious cupcakes are ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more interesting, tasty and delicious recipes. Take very good care of yourself and your family. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.